Hi, I'm Phil Bridges, owner of Straight Arrow Repair. Ever want to know how a repairman fixes things? Well, come with me and I'll show you how I solve problems. Let's make things better together. Alright, so I have this customer that had a problem with the birds getting in through their flue. So what I'm doing here is with the hardware cloth, or what I call rabbit wire, little 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch squares, and I fastened it so that the birds can't get in through that. The birds were going, if the flue was open down there, go in through the stove and then fly around in the house, little sparrows. So if you ever have that problem, you might want to try that. Alright, see you later. This is Phil Bridges. If you like what you saw, you think it might be helpful to somebody else, push that like button and let other people know what you and I now know. And we'll work together toward making a brighter future. And by the way, we're not Americans, we're Americans. See you next time.